How to add highlights on Facebook. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Do you want to add story highlights on your Facebook profile? If yes, then you are in the right video. Without further ado, let's get started. Open Facebook on your device. You will land on its official homepage. There are two ways to add highlights on Facebook. Let's begin with the first method, and that is by creating a story and saving it as a highlight. Tap on the option for Create Story, then select a photo or video that you want to add as a highlight. Finally, tap Share. Then it will take some time sharing your story. Once the story is shared, tap on it to view. At the very bottom, you will see the option for highlight. Tap on it, then you will land on the Edit Highlight page. At first, you can edit the cover for your highlight. To do that, tap on the camera icon to change it. However, I like the default one, so I'm making no changes to the cover. Next, you can add a title to your highlight. Write a suitable title. I will write Example Highlight. Just below the title, you will see the images or videos to be added in your highlight. You can add more images or videos if needed. For that, tap on Add More option and select them. However, I will leave it as is since I don't want to add any more images or videos. Once satisfied with editing your highlight, finally tap the Save button. As you can see, we have added a highlight using our first method, which is by creating a story and saving it as a highlight. Let's check if it's added or not. Come back to the home page. Tap on the circle with your profile picture at the top left corner. Then scroll down a bit. As you can see, the highlight has been added using the first method. Now let's learn the second way to add highlights on Facebook. Suppose you already posted a story and it disappeared after 24 hours. You can make it visible to public again by adding it as a highlight. So let's learn the second method, and that is by creating highlights from old stories. For that, tap on the three horizontal dots at the top. Then tap on the archive option. At the very top, you will see Story Archive. Tap on it. Then you will get to see all your previously posted stories. Select any story you want to add as a highlight by tapping on it once. Then tap on the option for highlight. A Add to Highlight menu will appear. If you want to create a new highlight, then tap on the New option. However, you can also select previously created highlights. But I will tap on New. Then the Edit Highlight page will open up. Set up your highlight just like we did in the first method. You can edit the cover, add a title, and also add more photos or videos if needed. Finally, tap the Save button. As you can see, we have added a highlight using our second method, which is by creating a highlight from old stories in the archive. Let's check if it's added or not. Tap the back arrow at the top until you return to your profile page. Now scroll down a bit. As you can see, the highlight has been added using the second method as well. And there you have it. You have successfully learned two of the best ways to add story highlights on Facebook. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.